Here's an example of a landing page I would like to use, and here is the customer's logo. Here's the phone number, here's the deal that they're offering and should catch the attention from the client. They're offering a $1,000 discount of the full remodel. I'm not mentioning full remodel just to, to be a little tricky with the customer. So, few words here. As you mentioned, social proof, Google reviews. Customer don't have too many Google reviews. I think it's only 5 or 6. That's why I'm not mentioning amount of reviews, just saying 5 out of 5. Again, the offer, the form, and then get my $1,000 off rather than the submit. I believe that might be leading for more interest. Again, about the offer in case client decides to scroll further, and then another good deal from the client. They offer up to 60 months 0% interest financing, and then flexible payments as well. Then a few words, why us? Not sure if anybody will pay attention to this. And then if people still continue scrolling, here a few examples. I don't remember if it's customers or just a stock images, but whichever. I think my client have rights for it. And then another social proof, actually a few testimonials on a carousel. So they just go one after another. Awards recognitions, this is the stuff that kind of matter for the local customers. And this might or may not be necessarily the truth. People just leave these stickers around, and I don't think we should get in trouble for using them. And as you mentioned here, the location, Houston, the whole Houston area, so people know we're not limited to a small area, and also few of the areas in Houston, biggest ones are included here. And then again, the phone number, click to call, and another form. That's pretty much it. That's how I see the landing page, and this is an example of a landing page that I like.